Dialogue. This dialogue is between a father and a school administrator, Sophia. The father is asking about enrolling his son in primary school. The dialogue begins now.
Good morning. I understand you're interested in enrolling your son in our primary school. How can I assist you?
Magandang umaga. Oo, ang anak ko ay 5 taong gulang at gusto naming mag-asawa na magsimula siyang mag-aral sa susunod na taon.
That's great. We accept students from age 5. Does your son have any prior educational experience, like preschool?
Oo, nag-aral siya sa isang kindergarten malapit sa aming bahay. Natutunan na niya ang mga pangunahing konsepto tulad ng pagbibilang at ilang mga letra.
That's wonderful. Our primary program builds on those skills. Do you prefer morning or afternoon classes for him?
Mas gusto namin ang pang-umagang klase dahil nagtatrabaho ang asawa ko sa hapon at ako ang makakapaghahatid sa kanya sa umaga.
Hey, if you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please hit the subscribe button.
No problem. We can offer morning classes. Now, you'll need to fill out an enrollment form and provide his birth certificate and vaccination records.
Naiintindihan ko. Nasa amin na ang lahat ng dokumentong iyon. May iba pa bang kailangang isumite?
Just one more thing. We also ask for a local emergency contact, in case we can't reach you or your wife during school hours.
Siyempre, maibibigay namin ang numero ng bayaw ko na nakatira malapit sa paaralan.
Perfect. Once you submit the form, we can schedule an orientation day so your son can visit the school before he starts.
Napakagandang ideya niyan. Salamat, Sofia. Sigurado akong magugustuhan niya ang paaralan.